super, super chic little hotel and bar, lounge area, if you will. Big fan already. It's my first time in here, and I've been in here 2 minutes. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday, and today we are at Archer Hotel Bar, which is located in Tysons, Virginia. By the way, happy Thanksgiving. Last year on Thanksgiving, we didn't do an OFF because of the holiday season. I was also out of town. This year, because of the holiday season, we didn't do an OFF right after Thanksgiving. I was also out of town. So we're back now after Thanksgiving. Hope you guys all had a great holiday. Hope you guys crushed it on the Cyber Monday shopping. Also saw there's a Cyber Tuesday now. I don't even know what that's about. Nonetheless, I hope you guys crushed. I'm excited about today's episode because I looked it up online, looked solid online, came here, looks solid in person. The parking situation in Tysons is always kind of a nightmare, so that was a little tricky. It took me 9 doors to figure out how to get into the right door. I did like a behind the scenes video. I want to show that. Behind the scenes, old-fashioned Friday. I have no idea where I'm at. This is my 8th door I tried to get in, can't get in. Obviously don't want to try the fire pump room. Okay, but that's partially my own fault. I'm probably parked in the wrong space. I don't know, but 9 doors till I found the right door. Nonetheless, here we are. Archer's Hotel Bar. Super, super chic little hotel and bar, lounge area, if you will. Big fan already. It's my first time in here, and I've been in here 2 minutes. You guys know how this works. 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. As far as the ambiance is concerned, we'll jump into that first. Again, this place I think has only been open for about 3 months, so it's all super new. Again, super loungy vibe. Seems like pretty high end. I mean, this is as nice as you're gonna get. I want to go full 1. I kind of want to go 0.9 because I couldn't find the right door, but I mean, listen, that's probably my own dumb fault, even though it took me 9 doors to get here. So we're gonna go full 1 because this place is kind of like flawless, spotless. I'm gonna show some of the decor B-roll, and you can just see it's super vibey in all different areas of the bar and the hotel itself. Let's jump into the appearance. Right off the bat, single cube, that's a plus. Luxardo cherry, that's a plus. Big glass, that's a big plus. They don't have the clear ice, but everything else, in my opinion, is perfect. So if they have the clear ice, they're probably looking at a dead 3 off the bat. No clear ice, obviously can't go full 3, but this is as close to as good as it's gonna get without clear ice because of the glass size, single cube, and just the little lime and the Luxardo cherry. So I'm gonna go 2.8 off appearance. Here we go, first sip. God damn, okay. A lot of times I go to places, especially like high-end or fancy places, and my expectations are what I visually see. They're very high. This first sip and that taste definitely replicates the entire ambiance of this place. It matches what this place looks like and feels like, which is a great thing. Because the worst thing that could happen is you have this super high-end place and you take that first sip and it's like, this don't match anything around here. So that was super smooth, super good. They're using a bullet rye, price point of $18. Oh, that's as close to as it's gonna get. It did say brown sugar, which I'm not a fan of because a lot of times that can settle at the bottom and you don't get the sweetness, but I did taste the sweetness. So however he prepared this or stirred it up, he did a really good job. So this is as close to as perfect as you're gonna get for first sip. I'm gonna go 2.95, which is extremely high. And here we go on overall taste. This is also, again, we're in Tysons, so looks like a lot of people are here after work having some like post-business meetings or kind of like networking gatherings. It's not really my vibe, obviously, but yeah, I'm a fan. There is some new construction right across the street, so that's, you know, kind of an eyesore, but I mean, what are you gonna do about that? It's not their fault. But everything else in here is amazing. This is amazing. Consistency is there. I will say it's the pinch of a little bit sweeter. The more and more sips that I go, you taste a little bit more of the sweetness. But other than that, the consistency is so far phenomenal. The ice cube is holding up really well, even though it's not clear ice. I mean, that's as smooth as you're probably gonna get. Again, just a little bit sweeter on the, once you get further and further down the drink. Nothing too crazy. That was solid. I think I'm gonna go 2.8 on overall. So I said 2.8, that's 5.6 plus 1, 6.6 plus 2.95, that's 8.6.955, which is incredible. By the way, if you're getting anything over an 8 in anywhere in the entire state, I don't care if you're in a super competitive area or a super high-end area, anything over an 8, you're doing a phenomenal job. 9.55. We've been on fire with the scores as of lately, and I think it's because we're doing a little bit more research behind the scenes to make sure that we're showing up the places where the photos and the menus, you can kind of tell that they're gonna give you a great cocktail. So 9.55, Archer Bar, Tysons, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.